I would start by congratulating my team and Gala team for this association, and quickly I'll take you to the specs of the warehouse. So this warehouse, the total area comprises of 80,000 square feet. We have 14 docks operational over here. We have a vertical storage, which is like vertical pallet storage. This is the first time Gala, Frudenberg Gala would be moving into vertical storage. So we have 3,000 pallet position vertical storage, and we have 1,200 pallet position of ground storage. Apart from that, we have a mezzanine office wherein you can have a hawk-eye view of the entire warehouse. Apart from that, we have a scalability option going forward. This being a shared warehouse, in future we can add another 1,200 pallet position. So that's about the specs. We have sprinklers in this warehouse. So that is one of the key part. Being today being Bhiwandi, to get the fire NOC. One of the key part is to have the sprinklers and the fire hydrant. So this warehouse is entirely equipped with fire hydrants and sprinklers. So we have NOC in place. We have all the requisite permission in place to run this warehouse. And I'd like to congratulate my team and the entire Frudenberg Gala team for this association. Thank you.
First and foremost, let me wish everybody a very happy Gudi Padwa. So, on the occasion of this festival, we have inaugurated Gala Home Products, Frudenberg Gala Home Products within our warehouse, and we are really happy to have Frudenberg Gala as one of our esteemed customer. We, in fact, started discussing with Gala way back in September 2020. So, in almost 8-9 months, we have been able to come to a conclusion, and at the same time the biggest challenge within this getting this assignment was the IT front. Among the IT front, there were a lot of challenges, but yes, we got a lot of support from Mr. Karthik and Mr. Sanjay, and at the same time there were a lot of inputs given by their German team as well. So I wish all the best to the entire team for a successful takeoff.
This is a journey just we started today to join with the KDL. So I'm repeating, this is a journey, not a destination, because we want to grow with the KDL. Means it is a vice versa, KDL will also grow with us. So that is why we are looking long-term partnership. As I mentioned by Rishi, this process started in September 2020. And a lot of effort taken by the team, especially Rishi, then Sridhar, and Dharmesh, from Karthik, Abhijit, Sriram. So many more, more names. But I'm happy because in the process we will also learn from KDL, and KDL also learn from us. So thanks again, Rishi, and all the team. We really appreciate and looking forward. Thank you.
Let me start off by saying that it has been a really enriching experience to, for me and for my team as well, when we started looking for a new 3PL, because the company is one of the biggest brands in cleaning, the biggest brand in India for cleaning, and we are growing at a very fast rate. So the supply chain setup has to keep up with this growth, and the choice of a right partner is so crucial at this time. So we put all our effort in understanding what's there in the market and going and choosing a partner who will work with us for long term. So I think operationally we have made a lot of changes because we are taking very challenging steps, new steps like complete integration, IT integration of our SAP and the WMS, and also we are going for racking. So all this has been done after very long discussions, and it has been a very good experience, I would say.
pride stating that we have been chosen by a company whose partner is from Germany. So I take esteemed pride to actually bring it to the conversation. And as a company, what we grow as organically we grow essentially by understanding as to what's the complexities of supply chain, of warehousing. We have traveled a long way. So what really makes me happy today is that we are able to add value to our partner. So today is the first day, and then we are able to start contributing to the success of my partner, which is Swedenborg Gala. And thank you, Karthik. You have been, I still remember you coming even to our office and then telling us, how to, take the relationship to the next level. And Sanjay sir has been extremely helpful in finally, concluding a lot of things. It's always difficult for concluding certain aspect of it. So thank you very much again.
Technology sometimes requires changes in the processes. Now, changing in the processes from the current processes requires a lot of brainstorming, because there are repercussions in the changes. It requires a lot of blessings from the seniors, seniors in Gala to approve of the processes, to vet the processes, to make sure that changing of a process will not have cascading effects in other departments or other processes which are already set and running. So I want to mention a special thanks to the leadership of Gala team here. The whole idea here is that the systems that we are putting in place are scalable. So today we are at a certain X revenue. When we get to 5X of that revenue, the current systems and processes that we have set in our WMS, in our systems, that they are scalable to go and handle without any changes in the processes for the 5X level when we hit that.
I am looking after the various retail projects as a cluster manager over here in KD Supply Chain. So it is pride for me to look after the Gala project. So we will run these operations very smoothly. This is my assurance. Thank you.